Every media facility needs to handle an incredible number of content. As the facility scales up, so does the number of tasks to execute with that material that becomes more and more repetitive and bigger in volume, impacting severely on the company's costs. Sony Media Solutions Toolkit is the new generation of media and workflow manager. Developed with microservices technology, is designed to scale together with your requirements either on premises or natively on cloud, providing unparalleled flexibility and reliability. A friendly and easy-to-use interface welcomes you into the main area, where you can ingest, catalog, and organize your media through customizable metadata and find them instantly with its blazing fast search engine. Frame-accurate preview is available and not limited just to videos, but achievable also for photos, audio, or even documental files that you can browse and download from everywhere, even from your post-production environment. But its strongest capability lies in its workflow management service. The integrated workflow editor allows the creation of complex automations through a wide set of freely configurable parameters. Elements like transcoding formats, quality control, XML metadata export on multiple destinations can be quickly configured to be executed sequentially with a single click, while every step of your automation can be monitored through a dedicated interface. The workflow engine is also integrated with our Media Analytics portal, our cloud resource where you can automatize the harvest of any metadata through the connection with numerous artificial intelligence algorithms, such as face recognition, speech-to-text, OCR, object detection, motion recognition, and many more, for faster cataloging and automatic highlights creation. With Sony Media Solutions Toolkit, your facility can easily manage any volume of content and tasks, thanks to a set of tools that scales with you. Let's have a talk with our experts to automatize your media chain today.